Hi and hello. This is Vinod Kher from Tryharder YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about OICP voucher, one of the voucher machine from Ballab. So what is the highlight in this machine? So if you compromise the machine, they have announced that they will provide the 30 days lab and for the exam fee for the OACP exam. So I have compromised the machine, but by I have not get the opportunity for getting this voucher because a lot of people has been compromised. I am the number of around 600, so that's the reason I didn't get this voucher. Okay, we can go to the write up. So steps for the machine compromised. First, Nmap scanning, enumeration, SSH key decoding, SSH login using decoded key, and fifth one is privilege escalation. Sixth is catch the flag, and seventh is housekeeping. So in Nmap scan we have port 22 and 80. For more details we are going more to verbose and script scans. So in SS22 port SSH 8.2 PL Ubuntu is running on, and 80 Apache 2.4.4.1, and also we get the WordPress version 5.4.2. We get one more key like robot.txt. It's a Google crawled, it get the data. Is one disallowed entry. The entry is secret.txt. It might be interested. So I think I go to the robot.txt and get the move to the secret.txt file. There is one key file. I think this file is related to the SSH. It's encoded in base64. So I have decoded into my local machine as a base64. Once the file is decoded, I have viewed the code. It's look like a SSH key. I have login, give a permission to the key as a 600, and I have login using this key. Here the current user is OSCP. This OSCP user has given in the machine Valhub advertisement itself. So currently I have logged in into the OSCP user. So I have checked the lot of possibilities ways. Is there is any access to the flag in the root user? So it's not possible. So I have get the go to the privilege escalation. So earlier we have do the privilege escalation for the Linux like find perm use something. This is the commands which was took from the Google. So in that I have found out user bin bash is available to override acting in the root user. So I have took that path and give the verbose like p. So finally I get the root access. So I have put the command who am I, it's a root. So I have get the flag. So finally I have the access to the root shadow files of root users and OSCP users. And finally the house cleaning. In this case I have uploaded a lot of privilege escalations files into the temp directory. So I have removed all those things. Thanks for watching. If you would like to support me, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.